What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to the Garage Chronicles. We at it again with a whole new project. We bringing something new to you. This is not on the Caddy. This is on the Civic. We've been promising you all the time. Me, Deb been throwing clips in about the Honda build. So we finally got a couple parts in. Nothing major, but something fun to get this thing up and going. So I'm gonna tune y'all in with the new pieces I got, and then we're gonna go from there. So today I finally found the spot on eBay. You know we like to shop on eBay. Everything we do is cheap. So like I said, everything we have here, you can purchase it for a low price. Got these for 27 bucks off eBay. We're gonna be working on the wide body for the back of the Civic. Just framing up a couple of pieces for the back. You notice we got the wide body front end going on, so we trying to just compare them and match them up a little bit so it don't got that funny ass look. But we're gonna go ahead and pop these wide body little quarter panels on, and I'm gonna bondo this piece so it's a part of the car. One flush piece of the car. I'm just mocking it up right now. But all the little things I go through, we'll keep you tuned in with the Civic as well, man.
Let's get it, let's get it.
We back at it. I didn't trace it all out. I hit my line with this tape so I can get a better guideline. I'm just gonna follow that tape so we get a clean cut. It doesn't have to be perfect though. I'm gonna start off by cutting this side corner and then working my way through with the cut all the way around. Once again, man, doing this, you gotta take a leap of faith, man. If you don't want to mess your car up and you like super in love with it, then don't do it. Me, if I mess up, hey, I mess up. I just go buy another bumper, you know, pick apart. There's nothing that major. So let's. Burn.
Yeah.
Well, that's that part. It's a whole lot more cutting to go, but so far that's how she gonna look. We got that knocked out. Slice that bumper in half. So now you'll be able to see everything we got going on underneath, suspension wise. Once the exhaust come up, let me take this tape off here. Damn, boy. I ain't gonna lie. I burned the dogs. Like, I've got burned by a lot of stuff. Solder and all that good stuff. But plastic, when you heat plastic up and it sticks to your skin,
Nothing you can do about it.
ain't nothing you can do about it. But I still got a couple more cuts to go. I gotta cut out this body line here, this part here. But what I'm gonna do with this is I'm just gonna mark this with a marker because get underneath there. You see, this is the original panel here. Now some people, they just put these flares on here and they still leave this panel. But we're eventually bringing these wheels out flush with this here. It's the whole reason for the wide. When you put these on your car, the reason is because you're going with wider tires. Don't leave tires that's gonna be inside the car like this and do this. It just looks funny to me personally. So I'm gonna be bringing these tires out maybe, damn, we're probably talking another 3 to 4 inches, which means I'm gonna have to probably go 3-piece with the Civic. because you're not gonna just buy a big ass rim. We gotta almost do the same thing we did on the Caddy in the back rim, because we want bigger lip, less inner lip, less rear lip going back to touch the springs. But now I'm gonna trace this piece out, take this off, cut the actual body piece, and then put this back on. And when I put this back on, it's gonna stay on and get ready for molding. But yeah, until I get into that, I'll shoot that once I start measuring everything else out. Yay.